Believe it or not, it just takes 5 ingredients to create an awesome cake. I'm using some dulce de leche instead of sugar and some chocolate milk instead of other dairy. First, I'm just going to separate 5 eggs. So we'll use our egg whites a little later, but first of all, I'm just going to dump everything into one bowl and just show you how easy it really is. So when that mixture's all smooth, 1/4 cup of cocoa directly into the bowl. And then I've got 2 cups of self-raising flour. Just combine that all slowly. So our egg whites is what's going to make this cake really nice and fluffy. So I'm just going to add those to a stand mixer here. So we've whisked those eggs until they are pretty stiff. If you take about 1/3 of this mixture firstly to loosen it up, so dump it straight in. And now we'll take the rest of that egg white and just be as gentle as you can to fold it in. And there we go, all the egg white has been incorporated. So I've greased and lined 2 20cm cake tins just on the base and the sides, and just even up the pans to make sure you're kind of getting an even mixture. And so now into the oven at 160 for 45 minutes. So I've cooled my cakes down now entirely, and I just need to take them outside of their tins so I can trim them up. So I'm using a serrated knife here, and what I'm trying to do is essentially get both cakes entirely flat, because that's going to make them a lot easier to stack up. So we're now ready to ice, and I'm going to go with about 1/2 cup as our layer in between. And now I'm going to use the best utensil in the kitchen, a small palette knife, and this will make life so much easier. Here's the trick. To make the cake perfectly flat at the top, we're going to take this other cake and just flip it over. And now we're just going to take the rest of our icing and we're going to let it spill over the sides. Just use your palette knife to kind of spread it, all the icing in between the gaps. Make sure you get the top lip of the icing too. Now the proof is in the pudding, and make sure you serve up a generous slice of this cake. And so that's your mega easy 5 ingredient caramel chocolate cake.